B2B machines play a role in helping us to achieve our goal. As part of our efforts, we bring together Nespresso machine suppliers, engineers and sustainable technology experts to design greener Nespresso machines. For example, the Zenius and the Aguila machines have been designed with an insulated thermoblock and an auto standby function. This function can save from 50% to 95% of energy compared to a machine without any energy-saving mode. Our production and distribution centres in Switzerland are equipped with a number of features that seek to reduce their environmental impact. For example, 100% of our green coffee is delivered by rail to our production centres. In Avanches, advanced roasting techniques save approximately 16% to 20% of the energy needed compared to previous roasting techniques. By choosing Nespresso, your company participates in a sustainable coffee journey.